Hello, everybody. Let me crack my throat here. Let me crack my throat. 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 How do I look? How they look? Oh. Let me scratch my throat. Let me scratch my throat. Let me scratch my throat. Oh, guys. Hello, everybody. Okay. Hello, my beautiful people in the house, guys. Oh, yes, my beautiful people in the house. Oh, yes, I greet you all. I greet you all. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh, yes, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. This Vera TV program in the building. Oh, yes, I greet you all. Today is Tuesday inside the week. You know, say they go happy Xmas in advance. Yes, yes, yes. Happy Xmas in advance. Oh, yes, my lovely people, my lovely sweetheart all over the world. I greet you all. Happy Xmas, happy Xmas. I know now happy Christmas, not the con. Oh, yes, my people, I greet you all. I appreciate you all for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, this video is going to pursue the Enter Hearts TV. And please don't forget to subscribe to pursue the Enter Hearts TV. Yes, now some people get things go they go on. And then so go see they do many things about what is going on, guys. Oh yes, my real people, I appreciate you all for supporting me, for being there for me, for subscribing to our YouTube channel. So our today's topic now about when people say fake life, many presenter live fake life. The update is a presenter that lives fake life, or YouTubers that live fake life. Yes, let me shift my share. Okay. YouTubers that live fake life. Let me shift my pillow. Don't distract me because I want to press my neck a little bit. Okay. Yes, guys, how do I look, my beautiful people? So today's topic is about some YouTubers that live fake life, because this life is good to they say the truth for where the truth today. Because you know many people don't like the truth. So they talk the truth to the verse, then they will lot them for belle. And me, I don't give a fuck, I don't give a dime, because I like to say the truth for where the truth day. And I don't like to talk as it be. Yes, I know they like Wuru, I know they like Waya, I know they like Mago. So this social media of it, you know, many people preach about many people, they talk about people, they carry people video here and there. But at a time, they are the most fake people on earth. So this video is going to pursue the entire house. Presenters that live fake life. Yes, because this life and this very lady called Edidina Witch. Yes, this video will still go meet her too. She's the number one. Iyore, people that I want to deal with here right now is Edidina again number one, Iyore number two, Lolekia number three, and the useless and uselessistic, the useless aṣẹ́wó nìgbé máa ń họ ní bàbá ńlá ògbé nù gí wọn mi nù gí wọn náà aṣẹ́wó àmàlà òyìnbó di ọmọ òyìnbó ní káàdì go behind can show òyìnbó you must show your òyìnbó make I pepper well. It's Satan. As I do it then again, as I go do you. So those set of people that I just mentioned, that's the most will be say fake life bath them. And those people, when they come my YouTube channel, call they comment rubbish. I don't want block. They block them anyway. I don't want to talk about it because when you come my channel, call they talk nonsense. If they pain you, show your real face. If you don't say not the fear Vera, that useless one where they comment rubbish. I don't block you. I don't remove you from my channel. No, if you see anything about my channel again. And if you are not fearing me, don't use fake account. Use your real account. May I pepper you to the comment. I pepper you. So I will continue to pepper these four shameless ashishi. I share one when we say life not let them come. Upon the share one when we say the day na girl Lolekia, Iyore, and the what they call them, one of them do. See their life. YouTube now still they run they come. But nowadays, people when suppose even dey YouTube now, people when you come. If those set of people know the shame, all those people that I just mentioned, you know they are bros for here for 30 years, 25 years, 20 years. Now you see they run enter YouTube. Now you they enter YouTube 2 years, 3 years ago when YouTube don't they exist, nothing begin to know that. Then you all get the mind, say they talk to me. I've been at the jury when they be say, when they come abroad, not be here. I've been at the again. Don't they spend getting to 30 years, 25 years, now they didn't get all they spend now. I mean, Lolekia. Lolekia is about 27 or 27 to 28 years. Now Lolekia don't they spend. I've been at the useless Ashewo Bianca. I had that Tony Bianca. That one, you don't know what it is. That one, no one know your get direction. So far off now, una dey my blacklist. Una dey my blacklist. Una dey my back. Yes. So let's go on, my beautiful people, because then we come out and be saying what they don't know, and because they know how to live fake life. And the worst part, now this side the fake life, they for the bath. Just look at it, they didn't get see bed when they didn't get it, they sleep. Oh, Sata City policeman, Sata City policeman. They didn't get bed when they sleep. Now you know the shit. If now me use that kind of bed now another person, now you will come out with your frustration and be talking nonsense. You get money, so now that bed you and the boy they sleep. Oh Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Make una dey shame. You people should go and hide una face in shame, because when I look una when I say una call the advice person, una a worst pass. Yes. Now a worst pass. So a person say me they live fake life. Now you can't know, and you need to explain how they live fake life. Yes. Woman struggle come abroad, man sit down back home, they find woman when they give her money. I not do a shower now. No. And I not do a shower talk say I call my enemy called Taban. I call see man we go grip put me for us. Then I call say now that's thinking and useless human being when they be say when he and his mama be say me not go get life. Then I will not be spending my money on him. Or they give her my money, maybe they carry women on the Chris. I not do a shower. Yes, I not do a shishi. And I will never, because of person, I will never please anybody and dismiss myself. I started to live my life, someone let me live my life. Maybe if the pikin they grow tomorrow, no bona born. Wanna live there now. Their papa they are alive now. They're supposed to ask the question. You know, when some more children go come, they say, "Papa, mama, what you feed you go abroad, make money, so make money rich. You know, if you take my honor, I never count 50,000 euro. Oh, I can't do as she do. Can't carry give man when pikin won't come see me insult. No deal. Pikin no fit see me insult, because I will always build myself. Yes. So if their father like that kind of good life, may himself continue. Understand? So if you they abroad, the fuck you go they give your man when he does. I'm not that type. And when you give her money, I may take care of your children. If you can't they give and use and they carry women, you know. And the money as you give and not they use and the way you want her. And they want the task when you don't know when you take come abroad. Do you feel they do? And my sister, I'm not a foolish human being. I struggled down here to find a good life. I struggled down here. My enemy almost died for sea. Yes, I'm not past flight. I'm not a lie. So my enemy almost died for sea. If my enemy just go die, I not get this heart, liver, this mind. I not get a mind fail me that day. By now, they not the hear of me again. The pikin, they not even know whether they get mama, whether their mama fair exist. So now this mind, when it day here now, I get see me see death. I got to choose the one when I want, and I pray now God saved me. Many people passed there on that day. So I will give them the gist. So my people, you when you will have the mind and say, Vera, this one, I don't live a fake life. No. When I hear someone take my brother, they give them. I give them. But they say, no, Rich, I must come up for my mouth, go to do a shower. I tell them never, it can never be possible. I don't feel do a shower. I did bongo. I not do a shower. Talk as I come abroad. I did Italy when be the depot. I not do a shishi. When nobody go say, that one, no, road work people, they know their self now. Nobody go say, Vera, if that me do road work, as me I the then I get the girl question. Maybe I forgot give it the then I get my gist. Before uncle. I forgot to understand me and that one also for road work. People won't gather enter that year. They're my beautiful friends. And when they see they follow me, they say, I don't do one thing. I don't even spend 2 months for them. 1 month safe complete. I can't take come for them because I don't want to do this, that rubbish life. At the end, I call they spend money for me, I call they beg man, make him marry me. Do you know what that means? That is the most disgrace and shameless thing in life. The time you want to settle down, you have a good man who want to settle down with you. You said no, you want to use your life for prostitution. After it has over you, you will not be spending money on men not to leave you. Why won't he leave you? He gonna leave you now. Why not would he leave you? It's like those useless family when one day this thing when they what they call them grease. Make the suffer do a shower. They'll say no family people when they gang up with useless pizza and pocket picker, make them come for me because life not better than. If you see, it's going to 49 years now, no husband, no pikin. She's not crying, regretting. The opportunity she have to make money to settle down with good men when he was coming, when men they come her way, she refused all of them. At the end, I mean, you won't call the jealous. It means still do their shower when you do by now, and I never see settle down. And now I call the beg man when you want put me for. Will you jealous me? Because you of course see the reason say after all, I still better person now. If now one, you call the same me and you not the same. You know, go come jealous me that you say me and you not the same because you have already made a mistake. So now make people when they come abroad now, they know they make all those mistakes when the way if they come make. If you fair come abroad, fight for your life. Because when it's not well for you, those ones you help will not help you. See people when me give as me give the rich, they say me not get what I do. Now so for you too, you now you be pleased then to make sure say that they well. At the end, they'll say you don't get what you do, you don't get what you want beat. They will say you don't get help when you do for them. It's like that. Until you not do for the you go come frustrate. At the end, they'll come use your money better pass you. That is when, before you will not realize, time don't go. Now be waiting happen to our beautiful sister when they are broke. When they sacrifice their life for family, for parents, for son, and for picking, when they use their total bomb. Sure, they see mama last lady Mondailo. Ancien, wetin pikin dey do. But thank God, one pikin consistent to say, mama, he take care of them. Say that they small when they wear marker. We are not hearing. That they small that they wear marker. This is mama. At the end, you call. Wait two of your daughter do. They turn against them. My dear, for this life, you know yours do. It's better than say you do. They can't beat you. Because you see me so. If I know you do, you they cost me. I don't say yes. So I don't do. And if you they cost me, I don't say if you cost me, you tire, you rest. But say you can't do. Don't say you not do. You as they do, get do, you go sacrifice all your life. Because me, I can't please somebody and display myself. Even pick one, but me I don't feel please and display myself. Because you know why? Everybody have his own life to live. Pikin, you know why for abroad? You must take up Pikin well. Pikin even though na 1 month a day. They cause say now you as a mother, now you cause waiting kill or now you cause waiting affect that Pikin. They'll put you for prison. You know why? Because Oyibo no say you as a mother, you don't live your life. You have your own life to live. And that child have his own life to live. Now we can see Oyibo so. Oyibo get where they reach. Children go do their own. If not to go stay government house, they'll go stay. You know why? Because it's time for them to live their life. Now we can see Oyibo not the time. Africa, the African women go born pikin. Una need to learn. No? Una go born pikin. Una go take off the pikin. Oh, you go come grow, you go come go school, you go come outside. You go come see marry, you go come see they suffer. They see they take off him and the wife, or they take off the daughter when you go marry stupid man. When you suppose they put food for your table, you go come go there. You as a mother, of course, start from there again. No. That is the reason why I love Oyibo life. Oyibo life, when they're born, get where they're picking the rich. Everybody there alone. You'll see some Oyibo pikin get one boy that they did 90 years. He don't dare you. Yeah, no. Outside, don't pass 18 and above. Yeah, he can stay on his own. If I lie, write it here. Oyibo, before you see Oyibo, if pikin go call day with her, or call pack and when be say not be grand pikin. You they see their mama as well. Their mama they did their own. Pikin go day own. I love that kind of life. Because when you take care pikin for 9 months, you born and then you have to live your life where you don't reach, you don't grow small. You understand? So that boy when I tell you 98, he don't rent your house, he don't they work. Yes. He did 80 years, 6 months when he start work. He can't they work. So as he they work, he they pay ass rent. He don't face the life with that. If time reach, you can't say woman when they like you want marry. If mama want to stand for her for the marriage and the papa, they do the necessary thing. They live there. They will live there. But African people, see what happened to this our big mommy. That thing touched me. Because that lady sacrificed her life. She said she never get documents. She they struggle, they enter Bongo. At the end, people don't still come outside, they join, they didn't get the cousin. Now me, you will cost me, go come pay me the crease. If they should they grow tomorrow, they say, no, I'll not be their mama. Now you born them. Go carry now. You understand? Go carry. See what they do to her. Croc, the senior one, so now let the small one can't get brain. I make I say, there are some elder sister, elder brother, their brain not correct. Many. You see useless pizza when I get now. As me take the coordinate, you know if you coordinate like that because now mumu. I don't know why some. I'm sorry to use that word. Not all of some of them. Some senior first daughter and first son. They are so sad. They are so. I don't know how to put that word. May not the verse some people. I put some. Not all. Some senior daughters and senior son. They have brain and they coordinate their junior ones. But majority of them are so stupid. Yes, they cannot coordinate anything. Look at the pizza now. When they put auto, they go for Italy here and there. Because leave your husband, call they do a shower, I refuse. They gang up against me. Today now, call. Let's look at. I'm shining. You think you can stop my shine? Never! Because I don't stop your own. I don't even know whether they exist. You don't carry me come abroad. You don't know how to enter abroad. So you don't have right to control me. And that's the main problem when our people get. Our beautiful mommy and beautiful brother who get for abroad. Who not help you? Your mama, your papa, you don't know when you take enter abroad or they control you. Your blood brother, blood sister, when he don't help you, if he help you now, it's still good. No, you don't know when you take enter abroad, you don't enter before because say hello, you don't enter. They will not have the guts and the audacity to tell you what to do. At the time when he's supposed to help you, he don't help you. My own they say, oh mama, why you get picking for? Why you not carry me come? Make me come so okay now. They shower, I can't do take care. Enemy of progress. Why did you people refuse to carry me? Rest of them are they carry by themselves. How many of them? The family, the papa side, the papa side, them. Not them. Both the family, and then they carry themselves come. Now me, different. Now make God know why. God don't want to tie me join their bondage. Now, my own has just come. Now make you see me this Dutch and me one day. All of the pack full Spain, the rest of the pack full Italy, the rest of the pack full Greece, the other one pack full Italy, Spain, and Greece. Now they full. The other one say this Switzerland. Whether she still this Switzerland now, I don't know. Una go there under me. Why? What my baby? The useless family. If I lie, the day when I go bring my evidence come outside, who I can woo a partition, I go use a partition kill you. And I will come lick my foot. Let me talk. Yes. No, 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 as water enter coconut. And I not go ever know. Now that one I see one be one block enemy haters. Una no know as water enter coconut. I not go ever know everything on our back. Yes. Let them show where they stay. Now yeah, since they don't do a shower, can't see you say the day man has second hand things, then they use up and down. You don't see show on my kitchen, a partition with boo. All my swag, all my dress in the day inside boss. Oh, first near December at first. Oh, first tie side the Christmas finish next week. Oh, they see my garage. Oh, I'm going to see on garage till New Year with Chris. I mean, I want to shine. I'm the head. Yes, more the head, and all of now will come and bow down on my I'll come lick down for my front, more side. All of una, as una take gang up, una use my mouth to swallow everything I talk about me, say because of hatred, now because of Babele, say because I want better pass una, now I make una come. Say ana, social media 15 and I me first una come. Now me first take, I start social media and then the manage they leak, useless set of people. So when I'm trying to use this opportunity to now see what they didn't get, and a daughter, they didn't get, and a husband, a man, boy, and a useless first daughter. Now see what they do that woman. Now make if you come abroad, you get picking for us. If now one born here, because you know what? That one will you get for them must spoil. If they not give a wish, they go spoil them for you. Because you know what? That hatred. If you don't know why this boy hates his mama, when those two girls hate their mama, now me go tell you. Either you take it or leave it, and you know. You know why they hate their mama? Because their mama leave them come abroad. Yes. Because their mama leave them come abroad. Maybe the hatred. It's not that the mother did not take good care of them. No. That is our big mommy, last lady, Mother they talk. So it's not that that woman did not take good care of those boy and the sister and the junior one. Not at all. It's because that hatred, Either papa side or mama side or your blood sister can spoil your own pikin for you. If you don't know me, you know. You don't get how you want to reach. Even though they go Nigeria every day. That time when they take the commot, even if you see they give them money, they'll see they maltreat those children. Those children will not have the space and the audacity to have the hatred in you. That why you live there for person. That is the hatred. It's not that this our big mommy did not try her best. It's not that last lady mother-in-law, no solo Africa, not take care of boy, and that's her senior sister and their last born when they support their mama. So it's not that. It's not that he didn't take care of them, he didn't spend money for them. You say he put them for school now. It's not that she tried as a woman. He tried to stand as a man and woman. But today, what did she gain? What did be her gain? Insults, embarrassment. And she get from them. That's it. That's just the hatred. Say yes. And leave there. Come abroad. Now you see their son. He got one auntie when he called me last week. He said he carried 2 of his pikin come abroad. They say no what they do. He said I'm so stoned that they stone. 2 girls, no, 1 boy and 1 girl. He said last year he carried the come abroad. Yeah. Last year. Yeah, last year. He said last year, the last 2 years he carried the come. He said now so swear that they swear. Nobody said don't grow. He said 1, 12 years. The other one, 11 years. 12 years and 11 years. He said I swear that they swear for. They said that mama no good. Upon still do carry the come abroad. He said, if the boy want answer, the boy go so he send you, then you cannot call him. He send you, why you cannot call France? That's our sister there. Okay, I'm coming, darling. I'm coming, go, I'm coming. He said France. Now this our sister. Now she did. He said the senior boy and the daughter they ask and say why whether they send her. Say now he sort. That's also swear that they swear for him. So swear now that they swear for him. Go and bring it. So swear now that they swear for him. You see? So that is life, my beautiful people. So I will end this video here. Drop your good comments. Yes, drop your good comments. You know why they be one hook me join that man that time? Make for the drop my money, make for the draw me go down. And I go they spend, you go I say I know they spend, I not be more. Make them grow. They have their own life to live. So all right, guys. Thank you very much. I'm gonna bring this thing. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all. So this video is going to Pursue the Enter House TV. Don't forget to subscribe to Pursue the Enter House TV. All right, I love you all. Bye.
Mommy, I want to bring knife.